haven't met before, my name is Erika V, and I am known as the Queen of Non-pushy Sales. I am creator of the world-renowned Blessing Method. It is a 5 simple-step process. It's a systematic approach to sales, to attracting pre-qualified leads to you, having you have a 15-minute chit-chat, closing the sale. That means where the money changes hands. And if you're in a type of business where you're getting recruits or affiliates, you're going to get them. Okay. And then it's about retaining those people. Okay. So I have over 30 years. I knew I looked so young, right? 30 years of experience in sales and business. I've owned everything from a salon at age 19, jewelry at 14, a Jamaican restaurant at 21, corporate position where I traveled around the country to underperforming weight loss retail service centers. And my job was to find their potholes. I call a pothole an area that's costing you time, clients, money, and causing frustration. And I would typically diagnose, okay? And in a 2-week time period, they would quadruple their sales and they would continue doing that. I hope to see you, my friend. Please let me know if you have any questions and share this out if it was helpful.